Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a call using Nextiva. If you're not familiar with Nextiva, it's a cloud-based phone system that's perfect for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features. In this video, I'll show you how to make a call using the Nextiva app, the Nextiva web portal, and the Nextiva phone system. I'll also show you how to use some of the advanced features of Nextiva, such as call forwarding, call recording, and voicemail. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of making a good first impression when you're making a business call. Your first impression is often the only chance you'll have to make a good impression on someone. So it's important to be professional, courteous, and to the point. Making a call using the Nextiva app. Open the Nextiva app on your phone. Tap on the dialer tab. Enter the phone number you want to call. Tap on the call button. Making a call using the Nextiva web portal. Log in to the Nextiva web portal. Click on the phone tab. Enter the phone number you want to call. Click on the call button. Making a call using the Nextiva phone system. Pick up the phone receiver. Dial the phone number you want to call. Press the talk button. Using advanced features of Nextiva. Call forwarding. Call forwarding allows you to forward your calls to another phone number. This is a great feature if you're expecting an important call and you're not going to be at your desk. Call recording. Call recording allows you to record your calls. This is a great feature if you need to document a conversation or if you want to review your calls later. Voicemail. Voicemail allows you to leave and receive voicemail messages. This is a great feature if you're not available to answer a call or if the caller is unavailable. Making a call using Nextiva is easy. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to make calls quickly and easily. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.